welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Hannah, and if you want to be subscribed, go ahead and do so. And click the notification button if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So for this week, I actually signed up for a meal prep, and I just wanted to show you my experience, or let you know my experience with that, and also show you the meals. So I will have a timestamp here, so this video will have about 3 sections. First, I'll talk about what they're offering. I will show you the meals, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts after the whole 5 days. So if you want to keep on watching, then keep on watching. So the name of the company is EatRight. You can search them on Facebook, no space. They also have an Instagram. They have actually 3 meal plans. So it is either you slim down, which is the target is to lose weight. You have muscle up, which is building muscle, and you have fresh and clean, which is eating clean. So for slim down, it is designed for maximum weight loss with minimal deprivation. Meals and snacks focus on lean protein and high fiber foods that are low in calories and carbohydrates. For muscle up, it's designed for the everyday athlete. This box provides the macronutrient balance to fuel high-performance workouts and build muscle. Meals and snacks are high in calories, protein, and complex carbohydrates. For fresh and clean, it's designed for mindful eaters or those looking to clean up their diet. Meals and snacks are made up of whole foods that are nutrient-dense and minimally processed. So Slim Down is 1.5 a week, Muscle Up is 2,200 a week, and Fresh and Clean ranges from 1.5 to 2.5 a week. So they provide 2 meals, breakfast and lunch, and 2 snacks for morning and afternoon. So no dinner, and it's from Mondays to Fridays. So it doesn't include weekends, so it's just 5 days. Free delivery within Dumaguete City. What I initially thought was that it would be customized, but the meals are actually the same across the board for Slim Down and Muscle Up. It's actually Fresh and Clean. That one is going to be more customizable within your dietary restrictions, like maybe if you have diabetes or if you just have other preferences. I think my talk with CJ, he mentioned that for women we have like 1,200 to 1,200 calories to 1,400 calories in a day to consume. I don't count those, but that's what he said. And then for men, I think it's 1,400 to 1,500. And what they provide is around 1,100 to 1,200, because he accounted in for the love of snacking for us Filipinos, and it doesn't include dinner. I believe he said that for maximum effect, we shouldn't eat dinner or get it down to a portion that isn't really crazy, parang may fiesta, you know? I think it said no sugar after 6 or no carbs and sugar. And no banana as well. Yeah, I think no banana too after 6. So I'm at 55 kilograms. Hi guys, so it's Monday, about 11:43, so I'm late on this, but I wasn't at my house this morning. I was at Luis's. I actually woke up afternoon, and then I just ate the rest of the tteokbokki yesterday, so I didn't really eat much, and I do have a weird body clock, so this is kind of just in time. So this is going to be my breakfast and lunch. For breakfast, I have this. It's just bread and eggs, and then I think the lunch is rice and chicken, I believe, and then some nuts and banana for my snacks. I'm just gonna eat and snack on these while I work, and then I guess that's it. I will check back with you on the next food. This is what I have. I got eggs. I think that's cucumber. Yeah, and I don't know what that is. Is that fish? Chicken? And more nuts. I still have a couple of nuts from yesterday. So this is lunch, fish, rice, tapos some veggies. Yan. Ito, I don't know if this is snacks or what. Oh, it's mashed kamote. I love kamote, so that's good. And nakalimutan pala ni Mama that my fruits. So, I think I'm gonna eat lunch. Tapos, ito, kakainin ko na yung fruits after. So, yon. Okay, I'm gonna watch more vlogs and just eat. Just wanted to let you know my fruits. So, parang nag-intermittent fasting ako last night or yesterday kasi I slept from 5 or 4. And then, I woke up mga 5 plus this morning kasi I'm off work in school. So, this is the breakfast. Oatmeal pala siya. I don't do raisins, so I'm going to pick that. Gonna get that out. Tapos, veggies. And then, my nuts pa ako from yesterday. I think this is pineapple for snacks. I don't really like pineapple, so I may end up giving that away. The rice, broccoli, and cauliflower, and I believe some pork. It's either pork steak or beef steak, and it smells so good. I'm gonna eat na. Bahala na, guys. And I'm rewatching, or I'm actually catching up on Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So this, I've been waiting for this all day so that I have something to eat. So let's eat, guys. So this is breakfast. Fried rice, some eggs. Tapos, in the small bag, my sandwiches and parang kind of salsa type of thing, which I like. I typically like those food. This is for lunch. Chop suey, pepper, cucumber, and some barbecue. Tapos snacks, I think more nuts. So, I'm going to eat na. I'm gonna eat breakfast and lunch at the same time. Don't judge me. Hello, guys. So, it's actually the last day. And this is for breakfast. Got more pineapple slices and pineapple chunks, which I won't be eating. Some toasted bread. Yeah, I think it's toasted. So this is for breakfast. The main dish for breakfast, it is shakshuka. This is a Tunisian dish. I'm just reading off their page. It's a dish of eggs and a sauce of tomatoes, chili peppers, onions, cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. I think this is for snacks. So rice, ground, I think that's gonna be pork or beef, I don't know. And some slices or chunks of veggies. So let's eat. So I like the food that I was served the whole week. Keep in mind, I am a picky eater, so that says a lot. But just to let you know, I didn't finish the whole thing. Kasi, again, I am a picky eater, but the main food I was able to eat. So the oatmeal, it was hard to stomach down. I don't really like oatmeal, but that was my breakfast, so I had to eat it. And I don't really like pineapples, so I had to set those aside. The pesto, I think, I didn't like the pesto sauce, not because of the cook, but just because I don't actually like white sauce. Like carbonara is not my type of, it's not my cup of tea. So yun, I still ate it. It still tasted good, but not as well as I think it was beef steak or pork. But the steak, I like that. I like that sauce. And then I weighed in at the start. It was 55 kilograms. And then I weighed in today, which is Monday. I went down 2 kilograms. After I eat, I honestly feel that I am full for the rest of the day. I didn't feel the need to snack or the need to munch or get another meal in. So it is honestly very filling for me. And then I only ate dinner once and snacked after once. I didn't need to eat another meal, which is always a good thing because again, I am trying to slim down the tummy. Have I noticed my tummy slimming down? Honestly, no. But then I am on my period, TMI, but that means I'm bloated, so I don't really know if it has gone down. My goal isn't to slim down, in a sense of my whole body, but I just want to feel and be more healthy because I feel that as I have grown older, I'm becoming more unhealthy and unfit. And also to get my tummy down. The rest of the body, I don't pretty much care about that. Would I want to continue? Actually, I'm on my second week already. My mom is out of town, so I just want to make sure that I have food for myself. So that's one of the main reasons why I signed up again. And then I just want to see if I go down a couple of kilograms again. I don't know. I'm not going to expect for that. But that's the main reason why I signed up again. The food is good, so yeah, no regrets. But do I think the price is good? It could go down, but food's expensive, and we have just, you know, had the train loss, so I understand the price point. So I don't think it is a pangmasa na price. I think if you don't have the time to prepare your food, then this is a good option for you. Sometimes I eat out for like once a day, which ranges me like 200 per meal, and that's only one meal. And if I count 5 days for one meal, because usually I skip breakfast, so that's like 1,000 already, and I'm not even sure if my food is going to be healthy. So 1,500 for 5 days I think is worth it. And yeah, that's my thoughts on that. I believe they are going to expand to other areas of the Philippines once they gain more traction here in Dumaguete City. So yun. But if you are from Dumaguete, I will leave their Facebook page in the description box below if you want to try it out. And no, this video isn't sponsored, if you were wondering. I paid out of pocket, and I just wanted to support someone, so I didn't ask for any sponsorship because I know it's hard out there to hustle. So let's support the people that we love. Charot. So that is that. Let me know if you want me to try out other things, or if you want me to do an update after the 2 weeks, maybe just even just an insert on the vlog. So yeah, that's it. See you in my next one. When life throws you bananas, make banana pies, and I hope you keep staying true. Bye!